Tineco A20 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Multitask included. Multitasker power brush. Wall mount. Tube. 2-in-1 crevice tool. Wall mount dock. Light the way into every nook. Illuminates hard-to-reach areas, allowing you to see while cleaning under furniture, into corners, and tight spaces. Ergonomic dual-handle design. Dual handle for cleaning both high and low surfaces with ease, designed in accordance with ergonomic principles. Up to 40 minutes runtime. Impressive cordless runtime of up to 40 minutes, allows for whole house cleaning on a single charge. 1L large capacity dustbin. 150% bigger than the bin on the Tineco A10. No need to frequently empty the dustbin while cleaning the entire house. 3-level for multi-level messes. Eco, Med, and Max offer the flexibility to adjust the suction power according to the cleaning task at hand.
Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.